Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM programs. First one is Zoho CRM and the second one is Freshworks CRM. We'll go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two great products, and then we'll compare the pricing plans and find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start with Zoho. Zoho CRM helps businesses of all sizes in maintaining a high standard of customer relations with its feature-rich software. The multi-channel support features lets you reach your customers via any medium, be it phone, live chat, email, or through social media. With visitor tracking and email analytics, you can see what your customers are seeing and find opportunities for interaction. With pre-built and customizable KPIs, you can see where your team excels and where they need more learning. Zoho CRM's blueprint ensures that the same level of attention is given to the right customers, even if the sales team grows. It makes sure that everyone in the teams follows the right process. The great thing about Zoho is also the 24/7 live rep during the business hours, and it's also made for freelancers, not just any kind of enterprises or businesses. Then you can run it on both Android and iOS devices. So what they are bringing, the solutions at CRM are very clear. When we scroll down, and I really advise you to take time to basically scroll down through the Zoho if you thinking about running with it. Financial services, life sciences, insurance, retail, real estate. Probably I wouldn't go with Zoho at real estate, but there's an option. Services, agencies, non-profit and startups. We check the financial services. You can just contact them and go through all the pricing that they are offering you. With pricing, you are going to see monthly or yearly billings. Obviously, yearly are more with the bigger sale. They are cheaper. So with standard, you have 14 euros per user a month billed annually, or 20 billed monthly. You can start your free trial to see if this tool is for you, but you'll get everything in free plus, but scoring rules, workflows, multiple pipelines, mass emails, custom dashboard, and canvas. Then with professional, it's 9 euros more, so 23 euros per user a month if you're billed annually, if monthly 35. Everything in standard plus, which includes free plus as well. Then you can see sales signals, blueprints, web to case forms, validation rules, inventory management, canvases. Then enterprise, which is 40 or 50 if you want to be billed monthly. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is kind of nice way if you just want to try it for 1 month to basically see all the maxed out features. We have everything in professional tools, Zoho AI, command center, multi-user portals, and so on. And then we have ultimate, which is 65 or 52 if built annually. You have everything in a previous package, advanced B bundled with Zoho Analytics, enhanced feature limits, 30-day trial, and canvas. So if you basically choose to go this trial version that you have for 30 days, as you can see, they are really forward with chatting with you. You can basically start your free trial. You give them your information, and you can try it for 30 days in that max out version. But let's go with Freshworks or Fresh Sales. Fresh Sales, also known as Freshworks CRM, is a cloud-based customer relationship management tool that can help businesses grow their revenue through context-driven sales. This highly rated CRM can help businesses close deals faster, improve seller effectiveness, reduce IT complexity, streamline the sales process, generate new opportunities, and much more. Some of the top features of Fresh Sales include sales lead tracking, sales management, event tracking, one-click phone, personalized bulk email, email prioritization, AI-powered chatbot, customizable web forms, page visit tracking, visitor intent tracking, activity timeline, predictive contact scoring, deal insights, third-party integration, dynamic forecasting, 360 angle customer view, automatic sales campaign, etc. They are also providing 24/7 live rep during the business hours, but what is really nice about them, it's not just for the companies, but also for individuals. And you can run it on mobile and iOS as well. Let's check the features. As you can see, or the products, Freshworks CRM and Suite, but mostly you will go around Fresh Sales CRM. In features, we have, for example, deal management, so they are not as wide as the Zoho. And when we check the pricing, also you can choose to be billed annually or monthly, but you don't have to click through them. We see that free is basically contact account, contact life cycle and stages, so on and so on. Growth is basically starting version if you want to try it to be built monthly or annually. Visual sales pipeline, AI-powered predictive contact. It's really cheaper than CRM, and I would say it does more. You can just go with growth if you are an individual. Then Pro Plus, which they claim is the most popular, everything you need to manage multiple sales teams and grow revenue like a pro. And then Enterprise. CRM your way with advanced customization, governance and controls, which is $69 per month if you want to be built annually and $83 if you want to be built monthly. I really like Freshworks because it's for individuals, providing the support that you need. All you have to basically do, in my opinion, is try out the free trials. I would go with the Freshworks. I see where Zoho can be better if you are a bigger company, but for individual, or if you like in charge of 3 people or 4 or 5, I mean a small team, I see Freshworks being better and more intuitive. But if you have more questions about these 2 programs, please leave your questions underneath this video. If you like the video, press a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.